Are you decorating your cookie?
I hope that she's just gonna keep these ones. Just don't share these ones with anybody, okay? She's sick.
Are you decorating?
She's like, I'm eating and decorating. Okay, put it on the cookie.
Put it on your cookie.
Put it on here.
Color your cookie. Color your cookie. Good coloring of the cookie.
Tell Mommy sees how much sugar you're getting.
No.
These ones are yours. You want to put some of this on? Look at this one. She went again.
Pretty. Good job.
No more. Let's see this one. Oh, bread. You put some bread on there.
Izzy, show Grandma your cookie.
Oh, look, there's some brown too.
Show Grandma your cookie. Izzy.
Let me roll your sleeve up.
Isabella. Oh,
There's Grandpa.
that's Grandpa. You're gonna get the best prize.
Oh, she doesn't eat it first because she's watch her. Oh, she's gonna put it on. She was putting it in her mouth before.
Go. Go.